There's cocoa. Guys, does anyone want it? It's a fruit. And this is a small tree here. Many coconut trees. Which has borne fruit. Here, tree height can be up to 10 centimeters. Versatile coconut fruit can make milk or ice mix for vegetable milk. Even a large bread factory there is that makes coconut flavor mixture. In Southeast Asia, you can get coconut yes items when you like coconut. This is the young one that we will eat and drink. It's water. This is liked by tourists who like to sunbathe on the beach while relaxing or drinking anyway. Shave off the hat first, guys. This is the contents of the coconut fruit that we are still young. Do you have any friends?